We didn't even plan on coming to St. Louis, but now we're talking about moving here. I love the mood and the vibe of the city. It feels really bluesy. I love that it's on a river. I love that the weather is not freezing cold like Chicago. I like that the kids can just run around. I mean, I know we're just in a small part of St. Louis right now, but it's not too crowded and it feels somewhat safe. It just, there's something about it. It feels good here. If I had to wear a piece of jewelry that was some city's icon, I would choose the arch. But I want to go get ice cream. Okay, baby.
Lyndon, stay with Papa. Come here.
Can you get a pouch for me, Mama?
Can you tell me your hot dog joke?
No. Nosy Mouse.
What do I do as Maui?
You have to say, I'm a demigod.
I'm a demigod. Hey, no stick in the camera.
Hello, Papa.
We're at the arch. We're gonna go up in it. Today we got out of the hotel before noon for the first time. Our tickets were for 9:20, so we set the alarm for 7. It's 40, so I have 40. We're just waiting for our tram. It's almost our turn. They go every 10 minutes.
We're gonna go in the train. Do you love it?
I got a picture of Joanne.
We're at the top of the arch, but you get amazing views. It's just like kind of small and crowded up here. Not only do we have 3 tiny kids, but we have a dad who is afraid of heights, and we have a mom who's afraid of enclosed spaces.
Come on, Maple.
And we did it anyway. We just confronted everything head on today. That noise is a train, Maple.
You want to take a good look at it?
Yeah.
What is it? Is it a train? Did it make a loud noise? That was a fart.
Oh.
That was a train fart.
It's not stinky. It's just smoke. It's fun.
Yeah, trains fart smoke.
Ice cream for ice cream.
Ice cream.
Who wants ice cream?
Remote. Ice cream.
Say please and be nice. It's hard, so you have to hold still. There, I did it.
I think Maple's a frog.
Ribbit.
Maple, say bye-bye, Arch.
Follow me, Maple. We'll go on this side.
Eat spaghetti too.
Amazing breastfeeding room at the Children's Museum of St. Louis called the Magic House. Check it out. We made ID bracelets for the kids just in case they get lost. So it has their name and my phone number on there.
Put your nose on the glass and maybe we can find your orangutan. Orangutan, wake up!
No, he's sleeping.
You want to wake him up?
No,
Why not?
because he's sleeping.
What's the matter?
Maple's getting my dress out, don't he?
Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday.
Do you see that lion?
Yeah.
What did he say?
Whoa.
$15 to park, but the zoo is free, so it depends on how
Can
you
you
look at
give
it.
me a pouch?
We got to the zoo after nap around 3:30, and it closes at 5, so we don't have much time here. But we saw the lions, we saw the zebras, we saw a tiger.
Everyone that it's alright. One more night, one more night.
Where's the dinosaur? What's he gonna do? He's gonna eat me? Maybe he will eat you. You found a dinosaur puzzle.
Yeah.
'Cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know we will be better.
When we got here, I had no idea that St. Louis had so many fun things to do for kids. These were some of our favorite activities to do. Let me know your favorite thing about St. Louis in the comments. Subscribe to our channel so you can watch our journey throughout the Southeast USA and hit that bell button so you'll be notified every time we publish a new video. Hope you enjoyed the video.